appreciate everyone in this room has obviously been something huge for us, and you've all contributed. So we are so thankful for each and every one of you. I know it's been a stressful couple of months to all our employees. It's been crazy for us. So you've seen our good and our bad times, but
Lots
you
of
guys
bad.
stuck through it all with us. So we are very appreciative. So thank you so much.
So ultimately, yes, thank you again. I wouldn't be here without any of y'all. I don't think some of y'all, especially my employees, my family, I don't think y'all realize how much I really appreciate y'all, because I know I'm an asshole at times, but I try to be a nice asshole. Nicest asshole I can be, excuse my language. But ultimately, the truth is I would not be here if it weren't for y'all. I mean, y'all are what have allowed me to become a better shop, a better person, a better boss, just better in general, and to be able to, you know, put things out that we're actually proud of. You know, like she said, we have our ups, we have our downs, but y'all struggled through it with me, and, you know, to where we can actually have a shop that I'm finally proud of. You know, that shows the level of work that we can do. Just, you know, it means a lot to me, you know, and I appreciate every one of y'all. It's what it comes down to. So thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for supporting us along the way, helping us grow, and to many more years to come, many more headaches to overcome.
Cheers.